Hello everyone, my name is Mihir Sangpa from Civil Engineering Department. I would like to say this is a wonderful experience at Yashoda Polytechnic College. Our department focuses on all-around compressive growth through educational program and after-school activity. The Civil Engineering Department organizes guest lecture, workshop, technical competition, site visit to bridge the gap between classroom learning and physical learning.
Hello everyone, myself Omkar, student of Civil Polytechnic. I would like to say it is really great experience at our college. Our department continuously focuses on our placement activities. We have lots of study materials and other materials itself in our department, so we can get easily access to all department. Also our faculties provide us lots of study materials and information about preparations of competitive exams. So it would be thanks to my department and its faculties.